Persian past made easy. I went.
رفتم.
Go.
رفتن.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey do, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today your mission. Nail the Persian past of to go. By the end you'll confidently say I went.
رفتم.
We went.
ما رفتیم.
And more, without your brain going on vacation. Your goal today. Do, focus on one family, the past of go. Just a few forms, big payoff. Base verb, go equals.
رفتن.
I went equals.
رفتم.
He went, she went equals.
او رفت.
It went equals.
رفت.
We went equals.
ما رفتیم.
You went, plural, formal, equals.
شما رفتید.
They went equals.
رفتند.
Forms at a glance. Quick pattern swipe, then we play. Tip. Many forms share the root, raft. Think, raft, floats away, like someone who went. I went.
رفتم.
Ends with am. We went.
ما رفتیم.
Ends with I am. Team went. You went, place, formal.
شما رفتید.
Ends with id, polite crew. They went.
رفتند.
Ends with an, whole crowd. He, she went.
او رفت.
Short and speedy. It went.
رفت.
Minimal mode. Base verb, dictionary.
رفتن.
Mini dialogue. Where did everyone go? Listen once, then repeat aloud, do. You, where is Ali? Friend, he went.
او رفت.
You, and Sarah? Friend, she went too.
او رفت.
You, the meeting? How did it go? Friend, it went well.
خوب پیش رفت.
Note the went.
رفت.
Closing parenthesis dot. You, where are we now? Friend, we went for ice cream.
ما رفتیم.
Guide texts the group. You went home, right?
شما رفتید.
Update. The guests? They went.
رفتند.
Moral. All of this comes from to go.
رفتن.
Pronunciation groove. Do, clap the beat and repeat after me. Beat 1 to 2. I went.
رفتم.
Beat 1 to 2. He, she went.
او رفت.
Beat 1 to 2. It went.
رفت.
Beat 1 to 2. We went.
ما رفتیم.
Beat 1 to 2. You went, place, formal.
شما رفتید.
Beat 1 to 2. They went.
رفتند.
Tag it with the base verb. Go.
رفتن.
Culture tip. The polite exit. A quick real-life phrase you'll hear a lot. When a group leaves, someone might cheerfully say, we're off.
ما رفتیم.
It's friendly and final. If you text after an event, confirming the group's departure, you might write, you went.
شما رفتید.
And a classic summary after a smooth meeting, it went well.
خوب پیش رفت.
Notice the core, went.
رفت.
Closing parenthesis dot. Quiz time. Do, quick fire. Say it out loud before I reveal the answer. Q1. How do you say, they went? A.
رفتند.
Q2, translate, we went. A.
ما رفتیم.
Q3, the base verb, to go. A.
رفتن.
Q4, I went in Persian. A.
رفتم.
Q5, he went or she went. A.
او رفت.
Q6, it went. A.
رفت.
Q7, you went, plural, formal. A.
شما رفتید.
Speed challenge. Ready, do? I say English, you snap the Persian. Go. Go, dictionary form.
رفتن.
I went.
رفتم.
He, she went.
او رفت.
It went.
رفت.
We went.
ما رفتیم.
You went, place, formal.
شما رفتید.
They went.
رفتند.
Wrap up. Do, you crushed it. Today you mastered the Persian past of, to go.
رفتن. رفتم. او رفت. رفت. ما رفتیم. شما رفتید. رفتند.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a few lines each day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs from Synapse Lingo.